In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use ChatGPT along with Google Docs to create and customize tables for your documents. Whether it's organizing data or simply adding a structured look to your work, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. Let's dive in. First, let's start by writing a prompt. Open ChatGPT and think about the kind of table you need information on. The prompt you create should be clear and detailed, focusing on what you'd like the table to display. It could be anything from a simple comparison chart to a more detailed data set. Once you've written the prompt, ChatGPT will generate the table based on the input you've provided. Once your table is ready, check it to ensure all the data is correct and matches your requirements. If everything looks good, proceed to copy the table. You should easily find the option to copy right in the interface of ChatGPT. This feature is very handy, allowing you to quickly take the generated table and prepare it for use in other applications. Now transition over to Google Docs, where you'll paste your copied table, open the document where you'd like to include this table, or create a new document if you're starting from scratch. Position your cursor at the point in the document where the table should appear. Use the paste function typically found in the edit menu or via a simple keyboard shortcut. Your table will appear exactly where you need it, maintaining its structure and content. Following the paste, let's make some adjustments to ensure your table fits well within your document's aesthetics. Click on the table and a menu will appear offering various options. Locate table options, a setting that allows you to customize your table's appearance further. Explore these options to adjust any aspect of the table to your liking. If you want to enhance the visual appeal of your table, particularly its borders, focus next on Table Border. Click this element to adjust the line weight of your borders. You get to select the thickness that's most suitable for your presentation or report. Whether you opt for a bold, thick border to make your table stand out or a thin, minimalist line, it's entirely up to you. And just like that, you're done. Your table is ready and fully customized to fit your document needs. This guided approach integrates the power of AI with user-friendly tools like Google Docs, making your workflow more efficient and your documents more professional. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different tables and options. Enjoy this newfound capability to enhance your documents with ease.